Good morning, class. Today we'll be looking at money. How do we define money? Money is defined as any commodity that is generally acceptable as a medium of exchange for the settlement of debt. The invention of money came into being as a result of the limitations of barter system, historical developments, and types of money. The history of money is related to how money evolves into the different types of money we have. They are: 1. Commodity money. The earliest forms of money were regarded as commodity money. They were commodities which had intrinsic value and were commonly used by people, thereby making them generally acceptable as a medium of exchange. In parts of West Africa, commodities such as cowries, shells, manillas, elephant salt, tobacco, etc. were used. These early forms of money did not possess most of the qualities of good money. They were not durable, not easily portable, not homogeneous, nor divisible. 2. Metallic money. Under the metallic money, we have two types. 1. The earliest forms of metallic money were made of precious metals, especially gold and silver. They were more portable, homogeneous, divisible, durable, etc. These early forms of metallic money were standard coins, that is, they contained their full face value. 2. Token coins. Other cheap metals such as aluminium, zinc, etc. were later increasingly getting scarce. A token coin does not contain the full face value. The market value of the coin, if melted down, is less than the face value of the coin. 3. The banknotes or paper money. The use of banknotes originated from the activities of goldsmiths, who accepted deposits of gold and silver coins from merchants and issued receipts. The merchant discovered that they could use the receipt for making transactions rather than returning them to the goldsmith to collect their deposits. Each time a transaction had to be made, the deposit receipt issued by goldsmiths became the first banknote used. 4. Instruments of credit, near money or representative money. In the modern world, the volume of transactions has increased significantly. This, coupled with the risk of carrying cash, has led to the use of other instruments such as checks, postal orders, money order, bills of exchange, promissory notes, bank drafts, etc. in modern transactions, in addition to the use of cash. Note that representative money do not represent money. Number 5. Legal tender. Legal tender refers to money that are backed up by the law of a country. For example, naira and kobo represent legal tender in Nigeria. Barter system. Trade by barter is the direct exchange of goods for goods, goods for services, or services for services. It was a system of exchange which was in use before the advent of money. Problems of trade by barter. 1. Double coincidence of wants. It was time consuming and energy sapping to find someone who had what you required and at the same time want what you had. This is the most difficult problem of trade by barter. 2. Lack of common measure of values. It was difficult to know the quantity of a commodity one should exchange for another. 3. Indivisibility of some commodities. Some commodities are large and cannot be easily divided into smaller units for exchange purposes, e.g. cars, houses, and so on and so forth. Number 4. Difficulty in saving or storage. It was not easy to store perishable goods and bulky goods. took up a lot of space.